Next to a house, a car is one of the biggest investments you'll make. Whether it's an everyday car or a prized possession, there may be a time where you'll need to get a dent repaired, a scratch removed, or a full collision repair. When that time comes, go to a shop that you can trust. Orlando Auto Body is your local Arizona Valley body shop. A lifetime warranty for workmanship using only OEM replacement parts sold by local dealers to support Arizona's local economy. As we have for over 30 years, our certified technicians' goals are to keep your vehicle safe and looking as good as or better than pre-accident condition. That's how to protect your auto investment and yourself. Learn more about our services at orlandooautobody.com and ask us about our deductible assistance programs. For over 30 years, Orlando Auto Body has put its customers' best interests ahead of profits.